Hi everybody, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about something I picked up at the drugstore. My husband was out of contact solution, so he had been using, I forget what it was called, but it wasn't this one, it was a different contact solution, and for whatever reason, he said that that was making his eyes a little bit dry. So he's been using this and he really likes it. He said that it keeps his eyes really moist and it works really, really well. So it's called Blink Revitalens. It's a multi-purpose disinfecting solution, now from the makers of Acuvie, the most trusted brand of contact lenses by eye doctors. Survey conducted 12/2016 to 2/2017. The sample comprises 250 eye doctors from the United States. So this product cleans, conditions, removes protein, rinses, disinfects, and stores. Comes with a free lens case inside, made with advanced technology for silicone hydrogel and soft contact lenses. This is a 10 floral ounce bottle, 300 milliliters, sterile solution. Does not expire till May 15th, 2020. Use only if imprinted overwrap on bottle is intact. Let's see on the side here, it says Blink Revitalens MPDS delivers comfort and disinfection for soft contact lenses, including silicone hydrogel lenses. Blink Revitalens MPDS, with its advanced technology, delivers effective cleaning and robust dual disinfection. Removes protein and other deposits that commonly accumulate during wear. Conditions the lenses and increases end-of-day comfort. Provides safe storage up to 30 days. Delivers brilliantly clean and clear contact lenses. A clean lens is a comfortable lens. Ask your eye care professional what makes Blink Revitalens MPDS a great choice for effective disinfection and comfort, or visit us at www.justblink.com. On the back here has some tips for healthy lens wear. It says Blink Revitalens MPDS provides effective disinfection to help you maintain clean and comfortable lenses. Rinse for lens wearing comfort when you insert your lenses. Number 1, wash your hands with soap and water and dry with a lint-free towel prior to handling your lenses, because you don't want anything to get in there. It could kind of cause discomfort to your eye. Number 2, prior to reapplying lenses, rinse each side of the lens for 5 seconds with fresh Blink Revitalens solution to remove any debris on the lens. Rub, rinse, and soak for effective disinfection when you remove your lenses. Place 3 or more drops of Blink Revitalens solutions on one side of the lens surface. Rub your lens gently from the center to the edges for 2 to 4 seconds. Never rub in a circular motion because it may tear the lens and not clean the outer edge surface. Turn the lens over and repeat steps 2 and 3. Rinse each side of the lens for 5 seconds with fresh Blink Revitalens solution. Place lenses in clean lens case and fill with Blink Revitalens solution. Close lens case tightly. 6. Soak. Allow lenses to soak for a minimum of 6 hours for disinfection, cleaning, and protein removal. Always rinse your lens case daily with fresh Blink Revitalens solution and let it air dry. Never use tap water. Never reuse solution. Replace your lens case every 1 to 3 months. Don't forget the following guidelines on how best to take care of your lenses. Follow your eye care professional's instructions. Always wash your hands before handling your lenses. Rub, rinse, and disinfect your lenses each time you remove them. Always handle the same lens, the right or the left, first in order to avoid mix-ups. Do not expose lenses or case to tap water, bottled water, distilled water, lake water, or ocean water. Do not use saliva or put lenses in your mouth to re-wet. Do not swim, shower, or use a hot tub while wearing soft contact lenses. Do not wear lenses longer than prescribed. Do not transfer contact lens solution into smaller travel size containers. Sterility of the solution will be impacted and can lead to serious eye infections. Discard any lens that is damaged or dehydrated. Avoid using aerosols when wearing contact lenses. Discard any remaining solution in your lens case before disinfecting your lenses again. See insert for full instructions and safety information. Blink Revitalens solution is a sterile, buffered aqueous solution with alkylstein, dihydrochloride, and polyquartinium as preservatives, disinfectants, boric acid, sodium borate, tetronic 904, editate the sodium, sodium citrate, sodium chloride, and purified water. If you are allergic to any ingredient in this product, do not use. Blink Revitalens is a trademark of Johnson & Johnson Surgical Vision Incorporated. Tetronic is a trademark of BASF Corporation. Discard solution 90 days after opening. Product of China, Johnson & Johnson Surgical Vision Incorporated in Santa Ana, California 92705 USA. Website is www.justblink.com, number 937448C. I'm going to open this up and show you guys the bottle. Alright guys, so this is what comes inside. You get the Blink Revitalens multi-purpose disinfecting solution. It has the safety seal, screw it off, pop it off, top comes right off, nice and easy. The bottle just reiterates the same thing that the box says. Nice and lightweight, easy for travel. If you lose the safety seal, you could always just put plastic wrap over it if you're gonna be putting it in a suitcase or whatever, just to rewrap it. And this is the cute little perfect lens case that it comes with, left and right. So you just screw these off, come right off. Nice and easy. So guys, I hope you try Blink Revitalens multi-purpose disinfecting solution for your contact lenses. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a great day.